Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into why owning an EV might be giving new owners more headaches than they expected. From software issues to maintenance woes, here are the top 8 reasons why EVs aren't living up to the hype. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts on EVs. Let's get into it. Reason number 8, the software struggle. First up, the software struggle. EVs are designed as smart, connected vehicles, but they often face software glitches and connectivity issues. A 2024 Consumer Reports survey found that nearly 40% of EV owners reported software problems within the first year. Infotainment systems frequently freeze or crash, affecting critical functions like climate control and navigation. Connectivity issues with the manufacturer's app can disrupt essential tasks like remote charging. Even Tesla's over-the-air updates sometimes introduce new bugs, causing issues like sudden computer reboots while driving. Cybersecurity is also a concern, with cases like the 2024 Rivian R1T hack demonstrating potential risks. While this technological complexity brings benefits, it also introduces unpredictable challenges for EV owners. Reason number 7, depreciation dilemmas. Next, let's talk resale value. EV owners often face a harsh reality when they realize their new cars depreciate rapidly. On average, EVs lose over 50% of their value within 5 years, compared to 37% for gas cars. The used EV market is almost non-existent because potential buyers are wary of numerous issues. We've mentioned that EVs are less reliable and more expensive to fix than gas cars. Add to that the issue of battery degradation, which poses a big risk for used EV buyers. Battery replacements are costly, sometimes exceeding the car's value. For instance, a BMW i3 owner reported a $30,000 battery replacement cost on Reddit, and many others shared similar experiences. Reason number 6, costly maintenance and running expenses. Electric cars aren't as cheap to run as many expect. While home charging is cost-effective, not all EV owners have access to it. Public charging, especially fast charging, can be as expensive as refueling a gas car. Once the warranty expires, repair costs skyrocket, primarily due to a lack of trained professionals. Battery replacement costs are also steep. High repair costs lead to higher insurance premiums, making EVs more expensive to insure. Insurance companies sometimes choose to write off EVs with minor damages due to the complexity of repairs. Before we delve deeper, do us a favor and smash that like and subscribe button. This helps us reach more auto enthusiasts just like you. Now, let's shift gears and steer towards our next point. Reason number 5, the ever-present range anxiety. Range anxiety is a major concern for potential and current EV owners. Unreliable range calculations often cause frustration and fear. These estimates can be affected by various factors, such as cold weather, which drains batteries quickly, and heavy acceleration or fast highway driving, which reduce range significantly. Independent tests, like Motor Trends with the F-150 Lightning, highlight these issues. Despite a claimed range of 280 miles, the truck only managed 90 miles with a 7,000-pound trailer. Similarly, a Chevy Blazer test driver experienced range inaccuracies, leading to unexpected stops. These challenges show that EVs struggle with towing, hauling, and heavy off-roading, making actual autonomy far shorter than factory claims. Until EVs develop longer, more reliable ranges, range anxiety will persist. Reason number 4, the battery blues. Battery issues are among the most problematic in EVs. Software often fails to sync perfectly with the battery and other components, leading to issues like overheating and coolant problems, which can cause vehicles to lose power or decelerate, posing security risks. Tesla's Model X and Model S faced lawsuits after software updates reduced their range to avoid potential battery issues. The Chevy Blazer EV suffered from multiple battery-related problems, leading to halted deliveries. Edmunds found numerous diagnostic failures within 2 months of ownership. Last summer, a journalist's test drive ended abruptly after only 60 miles, despite the onboard computer estimating over 150 miles of range. These frequent battery and software issues highlight significant concerns for EV owners. Reason number 3. Charging challenges. The world is far from having a robust charging infrastructure, with China being a notable exception. The US lags, especially in rural areas, making mass electrification challenging, even in developed regions like California. EV owners face numerous hurdles. A recent Berkeley study showed that 1 in 5 charging attempts in the San Francisco Bay Area fails. Issues range from failed authentication and payment attempts to broken cords and unresponsive touchscreens. Lack of standardization adds to the frustration, though many EV makers are now adopting Tesla chargers. Real-world charging times often disappoint. Ideal conditions are rare, and charging stations vary in their capabilities. This leads to longer than expected charging times, adding to the frustration for many EV owners. Reason number 2. Quality control issues. Early claims that EVs would be more reliable due to fewer moving parts haven't held up. According to a J.D. Power study, EVs average 266 problems per 100 vehicles, significantly higher than the 180 problems per 100 combustion vehicles. Introducing new technology has challenged manufacturers, particularly legacy automakers, to maintain quality. While Tesla once had a significant reliability gap compared to traditional carmakers, this gap has narrowed. Tesla's own reliability has declined, now matching the segment average of 266 problems per 100 vehicles. Polestar leads the pack in problems with 316 issues per 100 vehicles. Dodge, a combustion engine brand, scores 301, while Tesla and Rivian share third place with 266 issues each. Reason number 1. Repair part shortages. New EV owners face significant challenges due to limited availability of repair parts. Unlike combustion engine vehicles with extensive aftermarket and OEM suppliers, EVs rely on specific components that are harder to procure. This scarcity leads to prolonged repair times and higher costs, frustrating owners. A 2024 study by the National Automobile Dealers Association, NADA, revealed EV owners wait an average of 17 days for parts, compared to 5 days for combustion engine vehicles. Suppliers for specialized EV components like battery management systems and high-voltage wiring are limited, exacerbating delays. Tesla owners often wait weeks for body panels and other parts post-accident, as many repair shops lack EV expertise. The proprietary nature of EV components restricts aftermarket alternatives, maintaining high prices. ICE cars' noted EV repair costs are 20% higher than combustion counterparts, impacting affordability and prompting longer waits for owners of less common models like Lucid or Rivian. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more vehicle updates and upcoming videos.